Kumusta po sa inyo mga kaibigan? Ito po ang Eureka's YouTube channel and for today, wala akong tutorial. Pero meron lang akong isi-share sa inyo kasi may nag-share sa akin ng ganito na merong announcement ang BIR Revenue Region 9A na meron na sila ay open for applicant. Pero not necessary naman na may hiring sila. Pero syempre, pag may open application, that means may possible na hiring in the near future. Or, hindi natin masabi, dahil syempre may mga nagre-retire, may mga nagre-resign, and may mga bagong na-open na position sa BIR, kaya siguro sila namigay ng ganitong klase announcement. Okay? So, kung kayo po ay interested, tapusin nyo itong aking vlog at nang inyo pong malaman kung ano itong mga hiring or position na open for applicant. Okay, so pag sinabi natin Revenue Region 9A, ito po ay yung Cabamiro. Cabamiro stands for Cavite, Batangas, Mindoro, and Romblon. Okay, so these are the position that is open for applicant. Again, ulitin ko lang, hindi po necessarily na nag-hiring na sila ngayon. Pero, nag-open na sila na tumanggap ng mga applicant for the following or for this position. Because maybe sooner or later ay magkakaroon sila ng hiring. Okay, so let us proceed. Alamin kung ano-ano itong mga open. Okay, so kung interested kayo, so check nyo kung alin kayo or saan kayo dito qualified, kung saan yung gusto. Okay, kasi some are open sa district offices, pero iba naman ay open sa regional office. Okay? So ito yung isang position na open nila. Ito yung Revenue Officer 1 na ma-assign sa regional office and RDO's office. So, sa assessment section to. So, most likely mga kailangan nila dito is graduate ng accountancy or ng law or at least may 18 years in accounting. Okay, so no need na may training or experience. Eligibility dapat CPA or bar passer. And of course, meron siya dapat no need din ng civil service eligibility dito kung ikaw ay board passer na. Exempted ka na doon. So, ang designation nito is possible sa regional office at saka sa revenue district office. Okay? So, anong trabaho ng revenue officer 1 sa assessment section? Kung ating i-compare sa ibang trabaho, itong revenue officer sa assessment section, parang sila yung mga police officer na nanguhuli or ng may mga violation sa BIR. Okay? So, ito naman yung next na opening nila. Administrative Officer 1 and 2. Okay? So, ito may qualification na bachelor's degree graduate, should be relevant to the job, training not required, experience not required, and should be a civil service professional passer siya. Ang place of assignment niya ay doon sa regional office. Okay? So, importante na malaman nyo kung saan kayo ma-assign para alam nyo kung iyan ay malapit or malayo sa inyong inuwian o tirahan. Next is Attorney 2 sa regional office to. So, most likely ito yung mga na-assign sa RID or sa investigation division ng ganitong position or item. Okay, so ito yung mga requirements niya. So, medyo mataas yung salary grade niya. Okay, so should be graduate of law. And of course, must be a bar passer. Okay, so ito ay ma-assign sa may Santo Tomas, Batangas, which is the regional office of RR9 in Cabamiro. Next, another Revenue Officer 1, pero ito ay ma-assign naman sa Revenue District Offices at sa regional office din under the compliance section and collection section. So, kapag sa regional office ka, yan ay sa collection division. Okay? Compliance section, I think walang compliance section doon, kundi yung parang DPD, Data Processing Division siya. So, ito yung mga requirements should be a business administration or commerce graduate with at least 18 years in accountancy or taxation, and then no training and experience required. Okay, and then should be civil service passer. Should be pro. Okay. Okay. Next po is administrative assistant 2 and 3. So ito naman yung medyo mas mababa na position. Salary grade 8 lang siya at salary grade 9. Pero by and by naman tataas naman yan kasi every 3 years ma-promote ka or hindi, nag-i-increment yung salary mo every 3 years. So yun yung tinatawag nila na step increment. Okay, so ito may mas mababang qualification or education qualification pero nanghihingi siya ng at least may training na relevant dito sa position na to and may 1 year experience din. Okay, so ito not necessarily professional civil service passer, pwede na dyan ang sub-pro. Again, ang destination niya, pwede siya sa regional office and sa revenue district offices. Again, another revenue officer 1 position is assigned naman sa DPD and sa CSS. So, CSS sa district office to. Ito yung mga nasa client support section. And DPD, ito naman yung data processing division. So, ito po yung mga requirements nila. Nababasa nyo naman kung saan kayo ma-assign, ano yung basic requirements when it comes to the education. And also yung experience, hindi required, training, hindi required. Pero at least wag kaway gusto mong makasecure ng position or gusto mong mag-apply sa mga government offices like BIR, one of the basic requirements should be a civil service passer ka, either sub-pro or non-pro, depende sa position na ina-applyan mo. Okay. So, kung ikaw isang interested applicant, this is how to send your application. Pwede mo silang kontakin sa phone number na ito, nakikita nyo sa screen, or sa email na ito. Okay? You can email yung mga documents na need para sa pag-a-apply mo. Okay? So, ito yung regional office naman nila kung gusto mong mag-walk-in at ikaw na mismo directly mag-submit ng iyong mga requirements. So, nasa 3rd floor siya, Lianas Junction Plaza, sa Poblacion 4, Santo Tomas City, Batangas. So, ito ay along the nasa daan na, what do you call this one? Along the road naman siya. Madali itong makita. Tsaka, ayan, nasa loob siya mismo ng Lianas Mall. So, ano nga ba yung Revenue Region 9A? So, ito yung tinatawag na Capamiro, Cavite, Batangas, Mindoro, and Romblon. So, ang mga district offices na meron dyan is RDO 35, Romblon, RDO 37, Occidental Mindoro, RDO 54A, Tres Martires City, Cavite yan. Dalawa sa Cavite. Meron pang RDO 54B. Ito naman sa Kawit or West Cavite. RDO 58 is Batangas City. And RDO 59, Lipa City. So, dalawa din yung Batangas nila. And Oriental Mindoro yung RDO 63. Okay? So, ito naman yung mga initial requirements. Of course, your application letter or your letter of intent indicating the position or your desired position. And then yung personal data sheet properly filled out. Matadownload mo yan sa Civil Service Commission. Downloadables po. Certified true copy ng iyong transcript of record and diploma. Yung kung word passer ka or bar passer, yung authenticated na eligibility mo o yung proof na ikaw ay passer na ng board exam or bar exam. Okay, statement of relative form. So, ito medyo hindi ko to alam. Maybe you can inquire na lang doon sa regional office. And yung character reference, actually yung PDS nila, kasama na rin doon yung character reference. Pero pwede kayong gumawa ng separate, duly signed by the person itself na ginawa mong character reference. And of course, yung contact number. Okay, so, kung interested kayo to serve our nation, be part of BIR, mag-submit na kayo ng inyong application. And kung gusto nyo po itong aking vlog, kindly like, share, and subscribe na rin. Ang click the notification bell para ma-update kayo pag may mga update about BIR, may mga advisory, and pag may mga ganitong klaseng announcement or opening sa BIR. I'll try my best na may update kayo. Okay, so before I end, I would like to share this verse of the day from the book of Psalms, chapter 42, verse 2. My soul thirsts for God, for the living God. When shall I come and appear before God? That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.